This is Rose from AHA. You need to know who your customers are and what they want so you can build a more lovable product. But what happens if you store your customer information in a CRM like Salesforce and then your product requests are in AHA Ideas? You need to bring the two together. I'm going to show you how to use our integration to map information from Salesforce into AHA Ideas. So you can analyze customer requests by organization and segment while keeping your data up to date automatically. Let's go into AHA to see how to do this. Here's what an organization looks like in AHA Ideas. This is where we'll sync data from the related Salesforce accounts. The first step is setting up any additional organization custom fields we want. Then we can enable the integration. So let's open up the custom layout editor here and make some updates. It helps to focus on the information that will help you understand the key details about your customers, as well as analyze feedback by segment, such as industry, revenue, or employee count. And we can add a custom field right here for employee count by dragging this number field over here, like so. And if you already have a custom layout for organizations set up, like I do here, go ahead and update it to include this existing field for integrations as well. This is where the link to the associated Salesforce account gets added when you import it. And now we're ready to set up our field mappings from Salesforce to AHA Ideas. So let's save our layout, and then we can go into account settings and add our Salesforce integration. So the integration from accounts to organizations is one way because Salesforce is your primary source of truth for your CRM information. So we'll move through these steps to get to those mappings. There is also a two-way component of the integration. So your sales and support teams can submit ideas directly from Salesforce and then see the latest idea status there as you prioritize those requests in AHA Ideas. And you can enable that by choosing the related private portal here. And now we are in our mapping step. So here we'll map the fields from Salesforce to those custom fields we just reviewed on our organization record layout. So here I am going to add field mappings for account type, as well as plan. And then I'm also going to do revenue, country, and then I'll also add that new employee count field that we just added. And it's easy to configure the exact mappings for fields with a pick list, like country here. So you can match like values and then drag any extra ones into place, like so. And if you have a custom field for email domain in Salesforce, go ahead and map that as well. And then your portal users will automatically get linked to the right organization based on their domain. So once we set up our mappings here, we can enable the integration. And then when you go to import records, you can control which Salesforce accounts are sent to AHA Ideas organizations by applying account type and active filters. So here I'm going to include direct customers that are active accounts. And then you can find more filter options below as well. So when we do this import, built-in deduplication will help keep the data clean. So when you first import an account, the integration will automatically check for an existing unlinked organization with the same name and link to that one instead of importing a new one. So let's now go back to our organizations and we'll open up an organization record. So here are all of our custom fields filled in now. And then if any of these company details change in Salesforce, like the revenue, that will automatically be reflected in AHA Ideas as well. And you can see that additional ideas that were submitted by users with this email domain are now linked to the organization record, so you can see everything that customers are asking for in one view. And the new Salesforce integration link you see here will take you to that related account, but now we have all the data we need in AHA Ideas so we can stay in our own system. When you set up this integration, you unlock some really powerful reporting capabilities too. If you click into the Ideas tab, you can use the Analyze option here to auto-generate a pivot table, and this will show you how AeroCycle's votes compare to the overall vote counts. And then you can also build segments using your organization custom fields, so you can better understand the needs across multiple companies. Here, for example, we could go ahead and quickly create a segment for organizations that are based in Europe and on our premium subscription plan. So it's really easy to use multiple filters to do this. And that's a wrap. Now you are well on your way to more deeply understanding your customers' needs so you can better meet them. Go ahead and give it a try in AHA Ideas Advanced today. And let us know if you have any questions. Our team is here for you. You can email us at support@aha.io and we'll respond to you super fast.